Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we're bringing you an exclusive, in-depth review of the Porsche 912 Turbo S 2025, a car that perfectly blends legacy, innovation, and exhilarating performance. Porsche has long been known for creating vehicles that stir emotion and command respect, and the 912 Turbo S takes that philosophy to a whole new level. This is not just a sports car. It's a statement of what's possible when cutting-edge engineering meets timeless design. From the moment you lay eyes on the 912 Turbo S 2025, it's clear that this is a Porsche built to turn heads. The exterior styling remains faithful to the iconic 911 lineage, but has been reimagined with more aggression, more elegance, and more purpose. The front end is muscular and assertive, with larger air intakes that not only look mean but are fully functional, cooling the high-performance components beneath the hood. The redesigned LED matrix headlights are slimmer and sharper, wrapping around the car's contours and giving it a futuristic, laser-focused stare. Moving along the side profile, you notice the widened fenders that house the massive performance wheels, available in several finishes, including a brushed titanium option that screams sophistication. The sloping roofline is classic Porsche, but the subtle tweaks in the lines and proportions give it a modern edge. At the rear, you're greeted with a new light bar that spans the entire width, connecting the taillights and reinforcing the car's low, wide stance. The active spoiler has been redesigned for both aesthetics and aerodynamics, and dual twin exhaust tips provide a raw mechanical soundtrack to everything the engine does. Inside the 2025 912 Turbo S, Porsche has managed to strike a remarkable balance between high-end luxury and motorsport-inspired function. The cabin is wrapped in the finest leather, Alcantara and carbon fiber trim, offering a tactile experience that's both plush and purposeful. The seats are sculpted for performance, but offer enough comfort for long-distance touring, with integrated heating, cooling, and memory functions. The dashboard has been reconfigured to feature a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable to display everything from navigation to track telemetry. The centerpiece is the new infotainment system, running on Porsche's latest operating system. It's faster, more intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. The steering wheel, modeled after those used in Porsche's GT cars, comes with integrated drive mode selectors, giving the driver instant control over the car's performance settings. Ambient lighting, a premium Burmester sound system, and high-resolution displays round out a cabin that's every bit as impressive as the car's performance credentials. Speaking of performance, the 912 Turbo S is where things really get exciting. Under the rear deck lid sits a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine that produces an astonishing 650 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This power is routed through an 8-speed dual-clutch PDK transmission, allowing for lightning-fast gear changes and seamless power delivery. With Porsche's advanced all-wheel drive system, launch control, and a finely tuned suspension setup, the 912 Turbo S rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.5 seconds. But this car is not just about straight-line speed. The chassis has been reworked, with lighter materials, adaptive dampers, and rear axle steering, making it razor-sharp in corners, yet stable at high speeds. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or attacking a track day, the 912 Turbo S offers a level of control and confidence that few other cars can match. The braking system, featuring massive carbon ceramic rotors and bright yellow calipers, delivers phenomenal stopping power with zero fade. Now, let's talk about the price. The Porsche 912 Turbo S 2025 starts at a premium price point, and it's easy to see why. With a base price north of $210,000, it's not a car for everyone, but that's part of its appeal. This is a vehicle that offers supercar performance, top-tier luxury, and the kind of everyday usability that makes it more than just a weekend toy. Add in Porsche's legendary build quality, a range of customization options, and the prestige of the badge, and it becomes clear that the 9.2 Turbo S offers real value for the serious driving enthusiast. Of course, ticking options like the carbon fiber package, ceramic brakes, or sport exhaust system can push the price well beyond $250,000. But what you get in return is a car that's both a performer and a collector's piece. All in all, the KBT Porsche 912 Turbo S 2025 is a triumph in every sense of the word. Thanks for tuning in to KK Autos. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the latest car reviews, news, and automotive deep dives. We'll see you in the next one.